welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another unboxing video. This time is with the Morphe products. So I did place an order with Morphe. I did get all of the products that I had ordered, so I figured I would just unbox them and show them to you guys here. I have not tried most of the products. I did reorder some that I have used in the past and that I really love. That is pretty much what we're going to be doing today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what you see. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So just like I mentioned, I have not used some of the products that I ordered, but I have used others. So I'm just gonna start off pretty much with the products that I have used. I do have the box with me. It looks like this. So about 2 weeks ago, Morphe did have a sale on one of the best products that I probably have used from them so far, and that is their continuous setting mist. I actually am running out of this, and since they did have a sale, I figured I would get two for the price of one. I was really happy to be able to get this product again because I really love just how this setting mist works, how it makes my makeup look after a while of wearing it. Pretty much what I use today to set my makeup, and I can't get enough of this setting mist. If you are looking for a very good setting mist and just something that's going to make your makeup last longer, I wouldn't say this is a matte set or a dewy set. I think it's pretty much just like your skin but better. It really just gives a very nice appearance to your skin as well as your makeup. And like I said, it does prolong your makeup wear for a very long time. I am just a super big fan of this product and I can't get enough of it. So that is why I ordered two, because you can never have enough of this setting spray in my opinion. So yeah, this is the product pretty much that is the only one I have tried from the haul that I did this time. Try it out and just see how it works for you, but for me it is pretty much my favorite setting spray that I would say is, I guess, kind of in between high-end and just drugstore. I don't really see Morphe as a high-end makeup brand, but I also don't see it as a drugstore because the prices definitely are not close to drugstore. They can be a little bit high on just certain items. So it's one of those brands that's pretty much kind of in between. Also, with that setting mist, I also wanted to try the mattifying continuous setting mist. So this one's actually one that I have not tried, but because I have tried the other one, the original one, I figured I would give this one a try and just see how it works. So I'm excited to try this out and see how different my makeup looks from me using the original one. If you guys have tried it, please let me know in the comment section how it has worked for you. Jumping from that, I also just want to show you guys some products that I got from them that I have never tried. The lip trios. So I got these two. This one's like a nude color. This one's caramel nude, and this one's a fiery red color. So I'm gonna try these out for you and just swatch them really quickly and see how they are. But I'm super excited because I don't actually have nothing like this in my collection, and I definitely just want to just start incorporating new items that maybe in the past I was just not into kind of trying. I don't know, once I find something that I like and it works for me, I just stick to it. So it's kind of hard for me to venture out and just try different things. But slowly, I am trying to kind of get out of that way and just start incorporating new items. Even if they are a fail, I definitely want to try out more things that are different and just give you my thoughts about them. I did order these because I really like the fact that it's a trio. So these pretty much come with the lipstick, the gloss, and a lip liner. So you could definitely alternate the way you wear them. You could just wear the lip liner and the lipstick, or you can top it with the gloss. It is just up to how you're feeling that day. This is how the red lipstick looks, and I really just love the color. It is definitely a fire red type of color, and this right here is the gloss. So the gloss pretty much matches that color of the lipstick. This gloss is called Hot Shot. The lipstick is called Hot Shot as well. Lastly, this is the lip liner. The lip liner is actually a little bit darker, if you can see, and this is called Wild Side. So I'm actually gonna swatch these for you and just show you guys how it looks swatched. I'm not the best swatcher in the world, but just so you guys have an idea of how it looks. And there you have it. This is how the three of them look. As you can see, it's kind of pretty much the same color all throughout the three of them, but yeah, I could kind of see a little bit darker hint on the lip liner, but the lipstick as well as the gloss are pretty much the same identical color. So I really like that. I can't wait to try them out together. I'm gonna move on to the other one, which this one is the nude shade that I got, and this one's called Caramel Nude. This is how the lipstick looks. It actually is a very nice nude, and I think it's gonna really complement my skin tone. This is the lip gloss. The lip gloss is actually a little bit lighter, I would say, from the actual lipstick, but nonetheless it is still a really nice shade. And here we have the lip liner. The lip liner, actually see that it is definitely a much darker shade than both the lip gloss and the lip shade. So I think that is going to be such a nice combination. That looks just so nice. And this is just how the lip liner swatches. That is how that trio looks. So I really like the combination of the shades. I feel like this lip liner is very universal, and you could probably use it with a lot of different nude shades, and these just three together, they look stunning. I can't wait to wear this. I am so far really liking these lip products. These are actually my very first from Morphe. I have never tried any of their formulas or products for the lips, so I'm very excited to just see how they wear, and I will definitely show you guys in upcoming videos just how they wear together, and of course the durability. Moving on, I am going to show you guys what I got. I actually ordered a couple brushes, and this one comes to be the Morphe and Jeffree Star collaboration eye brushes. I really like this little bag. I feel like it is super convenient to just take when you're on the go. Just take it with you when traveling. This is how the brushes look. These are actually just small brushes for your eye makeup. I did want to stock up a few more makeup eye brushes. They run out super quickly. They start getting really dirty, and you just need to have a couple of the same ones. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give these a wash before I use them, and then we'll see how they hold to that. I've never had any issues with any Morphe brushes that I own, and I have owned them for quite a while now. I mean, my oldest probably is about 4 to 5 years old. That's just how long I've had my brushes for, and I wash them on a regular basis, and they have never shed. They have not come apart. They are actually really good brushes. At least to me, I have never had any issues with them. So I'm gonna try these out and just see how they work. But I really like them. The color is also super pretty. Moving on to what I am most excited about from this haul. I did get 2 eyeshadow palettes in this haul, and I am so excited to just dig in and use these because I had been eyeing them for a while now. So the first one I got is the James Charles Morphe palette. I know this has been out for a while now, but personally I had not gotten my hands on it. I just love the shades that come in this palette. Let's open it up and just see how it looks up in personal. Oh wow, this packaging though, I really like just how this packaging looks. The matte palette and then the glossy black lettering on it. Okay, and then the inside just looks like this. Oh wow, yes. This is how the inside looks, and yeah, I mean, these colors are just amazing. It is very versatile, and I can't wait to create looks with this palette. I know there's going to be a lot of looks that I will be able to create with this palette, both neutral as well as colorful, because like I said in my previous video, I have really been enjoying just playing with color. Let me know your thoughts about this palette as well. I have never tried it, so I'm just so excited to dig into it and see what I come up with. And so that is that. And then last but not least, it's another product from the Morphe and Jeffree Star collab. So this is actually the palette that they came up with the set of brushes that I just showed you guys. I also saw this online and I just felt like I needed to have it. This is just how it looks, and oh wow, this actually comes with a mirror, so I think that is super convenient. That is very nice. This is how it actually looks. I can just tell that these shimmers are going to be very nice to work with. They look super sparkly, so I really like both of these palettes. I know I'm gonna be creating a lot of new looks with these, so yeah, I'm excited to try these out and show you guys what I come up with. This is all that I got from this Morphe haul. Be on the lookout for some new looks coming your way. Just testing out these products. For now, that is pretty much all that I have. I hope you guys enjoy this small haul. If you guys are enjoying these types of videos, please let me know in the comment section or give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys are enjoying it and I can create more of these videos. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Thank you so much. I will see you guys on my next video very soon. And remember to stay scrumptious. Bye guys.